Hello friends, so today we are going to unbox Kent Force Cyclonic Vacuum Cleaner KSL-160. So I ordered this on Amazon yesterday and I got it today evening delivered. So this is the packaging, and even though it's Amazon order, it comes in company package only. So this is the box, as if you are seeing it. Okay, so before getting inside the box, let's look at the specifications that are mentioned. It has like a HEPA filter, which is like a very good filtration you will get, and also it's energy efficient and low noise, and it's a cyclonic type of vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's get inside now. Okay, so inside the box what we get are a flexible housing pipe. Okay, it's long enough. Let's keep it aside. And yeah, this is my first vacuum cleaner, so let's see what and all we get. This one we get, and yeah, this is for floor cleaning. Next is, okay, this is some user manual. This is another cleaning tip instrument. Protective shield. Okay, I think, okay, yeah, we forgot this one. This one is awesome one. I will talk about it later. Okay, so this is the main unit. Let's take it out. Okay, this is how it looks. The main unit. Yeah, let's take it out. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all we got inside the box. Okay, let's close the box now. We don't need it anymore. As this is the main unit inside the box. So as you see, this is the upgraded version of the earlier Kent Force vacuum cleaner, which was 1200 watt now, but this one is 2000 watt. You get higher suction power in the same price. As you see, this is it. Kent Force vacuum cleaner, cyclonic technology, and you have got okay, let's put on the accessories all together. You have this brush, you have a and the good thing is it has I don't know whether you can able to see it or not. Let me try it. So through this you can control the suction when you are holding it. You have that option here, and also of course you get controlling the suction. This switch is pretty smooth, guys. So maximum, and this is minimum suction power. You can adjust it, and it has got automatic cord winding, so this is the button for that. So when you have this one pulled, you can just press it, it gets sucked inside. And this is of course the on off switch. You can operate it through your legs while operating it. And this is the carrying one, and yeah, I forgot to mention the main thing, right? So compared to other brands, okay, compared to other brands which give a plastic one, the handle extension handle, this one comes up with a aluminum handle. This is a pretty good quality, and you can extend this one You just have to, sorry guys, I'm keeping my mobile in the same hand and trying to do this. You have to, like, you can push this and you can extend this guy. It extends almost the same size, it gets extended again. So this is a pretty good quality, and I'll tell you guys, like, all the accessories that you get and main body itself, they are made up of very good plastic. So this is not many more fancy accessories, but yeah, for a regular cleaning one, this is sufficient. So stay tuned to my